welcome to the first episode ever of the Angelo Project. Today we'd like to personally introduce our company to you. We are Angelo Design Build. This is Jack Meyer, my son, and I am John Meyer. And I've been doing this building houses and remodeling houses for well over 30 years. And when you hear me talk about myself with the company, I tend to use the word we. And I do that because I fully appreciate the effort by the entire team. None of this would have been possible. None of our success would have been possible. Our great creations wouldn't exist if it weren't for a great team. So we've been able to do what we love to do for so long, I think, because, well, one, we're fair and transparent. In all of our interactions with our clients, we tend to put ourselves in the position of, well, how would I feel, or what would I do in this situation if I were the client? Or maybe it's, well, if I was the client, maybe I'd wish I'd had a little bit more information and been able to make a better decision, or maybe I would have known what was coming next. And we just feel like this perspective is good for everyone concerned and makes for good business. And secondly, we do a good job. We really do. We know we do because our customers tell us that we do. And we work hard every day to make sure they're in the position that they can tell us that we're doing a good job. Now, do we want to do a good job? Of course, we already want to do a good job. Do we have a lot of pride in a job well done? Absolutely. Do we work extra hard so that at the end we have a job that is beautiful and everyone can brag about it? Absolutely. We're builders, and builders love to brag. Now, in fact, as you think about it, you wouldn't want a builder that didn't love what they did and weren't proud of what they created, right? Of course not. None of this, though, compares to what our clients get when the job's done. When the job's done, they get a home that they love. They get a home that they could be so proud of. They want to brag about it. They want to call all their friends and have everybody come over and have a look. They get a home that meets all their needs. It's functional, it's beautiful, it's well designed, and it's well built. It will last a lifetime and beyond. At the end of a project that you do with us, your pride of ownership is going to be at its highest level. And just imagine that our pride in a job well done is going to be right there with you. The line between where you are and where we are is going to be very blurry. We're going to be happy and proud right alongside of you. Now, as builders, we know a lot about building. Our customers expect that we would, but openly, we don't know everything all the time. Rest assured that we're going to get the best solution possible and one that we would even do in our own home. So another thing, we avoid the cursed phrase, and I'm sure you've all heard it before, because that's how we've always done it. Nope, never been a fan of that phrase, and you'll never hear us say it. When something works well and it's done right, we'll know exactly why, and we'll make sure you know. So as I mentioned before, I've been doing this for over 30 years. Well, in 2018, we had the good fortune of our son joining the company. And when we started this all those years ago, Jack was 10. And for any of you who know somebody who grew up in a construction family, you know he started learning construction when he was 10. Well, he's not 10 anymore, so let me reintroduce you to Mr. Jack Meyer.
Hello, everybody. So I'll be involved in your project in every phase and aspect from design through construction. But before I get started with that, let me tell you a little bit about my background. As my dad said, I've been around the industry since I was a kid. I did also receive a degree in architecture from Texas A&M. I served as an infantry officer in the Marine Corps, and after that I got an MBA from UCLA. Since joining Angelo Design Build in 2018, I've had the opportunity to manage every facet of home building, from pre-construction all the way through post-move-in warranty work. And it's our combined education and experience that has made us into the award-winning home builder that we are today. why call us? How are we different? Well, we can get involved at any stage, at any point, even from the concept stage, if that's what you do. So let's say you have a home that you want to remodel, or you want to add on a fitness room, or upgrade the kitchen, or turn your bathroom into a 5-star luxury bathroom, or maybe you want to build a new home and you're thinking, I need a lot. How do I know, how do I find a lot? How do I know which lot is going to be suitable for the home that I want to build? Well, that's exactly the type of expertise that we offer. And we are a sounding board for you to vet your ideas. With our design and construction experience and our knowledge of local development codes, we guide you through the entire process and help you turn your dreams into reality. So whether that's site selection or designing and building a new home or remodel, or taking a design you already have and building that, well, we can help you with any of that or all of that. With our design and construction experience, along with our knowledge of local development codes, we can turn your vision into reality. We consider your budget, your priorities, and your dream, and we can take you through the entire process and give you the home that you dream of.
That's right, Jack. And when you hire us, you get us, Jack and me. And in addition to all the things that we just pointed out, I'd like also to point out that we are experts at getting permits and entitlements in the city of Austin. And as you may well know, that's not an easy task. Also, if we need to get a septic permit and development permit for building a project in the county, we know how to do that as well. We are actively on site every day. You can go home that night saying, I needed to ask my builder, and I did. But also, our subs love that. When they can get a quick answer and keep their crews moving, that they save money, they get done quicker, it's a smoother job. And when jobs go smooth, they get done quicker and better, and that's good for you. Another thing is communication. In this day and age, we have a ton of technology. Nobody wants to talk to anybody. We prioritize communication. If you call us, text us, email us, you're going to get us. In addition to that, we have a client portal. So every client gets their own private portal. You can do things such as check the schedule, see what the updates are. We're in the selection process. You can see what your choices are, what's been posted to the portal, photos of progress. If you put in a request for a change, that will be in the portal. At any rate, it's a very well and comprehensive package of communication that you're going to really feel the benefit of it. Now, we started this off with telling you how we were fair and transparent. So I think that would be a great way to wrap up. So to be transparent, we think we are a great company and that you would be really happy working with us. But to be fair, we aren't the only great company in Austin. We're members of the Builders Association of Greater Austin, HBA. In fact, we were awarded the Best Custom Builder in Austin for 2024 by HBA. We know and are friends with several great companies in HBA. Also, we are members of NARI, the Association for Remodelers, AIA, the Association for Architects, and NKBA and ASID as well, and that's the Association for Interior Designers. And we can vouch for the membership in those organizations where you will find some great companies. Clearly, we would rather that you call us. But in the event you don't, we hope that you take the time, look into these organizations to find your next builder. So to wrap this all up, we have a great and long track record. We do a good job, and that's not just our opinion. We are experts in the field. We're active and on site. Communications. And we give back to the community and the industry with our time and dollars through our membership in the organizations I just mentioned. And you can count on us for any type of remodel or new build. So adding this all up, we hope that for you, you can see that we're a company that you can count on and trust. We hope to hear from you soon, and thank you for watching.